If you want to get Google Photos to be default gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, what you have to do is just to open the settings, and next you will have to scroll down and navigate into the applications screen. Right now we have to go for gallery, so Samsung Gallery, and now a very important step, click to set as default and select this one, clear defaults. There we go. Now we have to open into my files, go for the images, and take a look right now. If I'm gonna pick any picture, photo or image, right now I have to mark photos and click always. And now everything that I'm gonna open will be in the Google Photos. If I'm gonna open from the camera, this is the only way to be redirected to the gallery. But if you go for my files and pick any picture that you have here, it will always be moved into the Google Photos, as you can see. So that's how you can actually do this.